she gets out and all awkwardly walks away.
Oh my god. Play it back, do it again,
Oh, I gotta show you.
And she just leaves.
I gotta show you the other angle.
When was this?
4:20 today.
Oh my god, that was today?
Yep.
So there she goes. And boom!
Was there water? Is there water in there too?
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Because like, look at that guy dying in the corner. He just saw her and followed. Where'd she go? Where did she go?
She goes here and talks and then walks out. Pedro from housekeeping's like, "Are you all right?" She's like, "I'm just a little wag."
She goes in the store?
She stands there. I guess she's like, "Oh my god, what happened?"
Oh my god. Wow.
Pedro's looking at her like, "Really?"
You're soaked. She's soaking wet, right?
Yeah.
She's soaked right now and has to go out in the cold weather. I can't believe that happened.
It's